Cancer drug shortages could mean life or death for some people, and one local patient says she's concerned as she battles cancer for a second time. Our Marcus Espinoza has her story.
Battling cancer is a journey and a challenge enough on its own. Not having the medicine you need makes it nearly impossible. I spoke with a cancer patient right now who is facing that very fight.
The thought of needing that medicine and not having access was heartbreaking.
Kestra Kelly is now facing her second battle with ovarian cancer. The first time she was just 32 and was delivering her only son when a tumor was discovered.
A new baby and a cancer diagnosis in 1 week.
After living cancer-free for more than a decade, a checkup this past December showed the cancer was back, which means so is the chemotherapy treatment. But things are different, which means so is the chemotherapy. But things are very different this time around.
And I met with my doctor, and she basically said, we're lowering your dose as a conservation measure.
Kelly's not the only one being blindsided with this new reality. Across the country, hospitals are facing shortages of several key chemotherapy drugs, according to the American Cancer Society Cancer Action Network. In a statement their CEO released earlier this month, she outlines the danger, saying in part, they claim expanded demand, supply shortages, limited manufacturing capacity, and low profit margins for genetic therapies are just some of the reasons why.
If my dose needs to be adjusted, I want my doctor to do that based on what I need and not what's available.
Yet that's exactly what's happening. Kelly telling us she received one less dose than is standard for her treatment.
I was, slated for a 6, and they lowered me to a 5.
She's optimistic she'll once again be able to beat cancer, but she can't hide her feelings when it comes to the impossible situation so many cancer patients now face.
It's inconceivable. I don't know. Nobody that's going through any kind of medical need should have to worry about access to medicine. And I don't understand how it happened. I don't understand.
While she waits for word on how much medicine she'll have at her next chemotherapy treatment, she's going to lean on her friends and family that have gotten her through this the first time nearly 12 years ago. In Old City, Marcus Espinoza, Fox 29 News.